My name is Stephanie Saylor. This is a visual phasing workshop. We will be discussing why you may want to do visual phasing in this segment. One of the things visual phasing allows you to do is to get to know more about your ancestors by finding out what DNA they individually gave to you. How did they influence you? Which ancestors passed on your trademark freckles, blue eyes? You can actually track where these traits come from for brown hair, straight hair, curly hair, and many other things. One of the most difficult parts of working with autosomal DNA is figuring out how a match is related to you or what ancestry you share. The more distant the relationship, the more possibilities exist. Mapping out your chromosomes allow you to determine how someone who compared to your 3 DNA tests is related to you through your grandparents, because they will share DNA with you that you got from that grandparent. Knowing what grandparent passed on the DNA a match shares with you allows you to narrow the field of your research significantly. Instead of 16 lines or more, you can narrow that research to the branch of your family tree that contains that donated DNA that grandparent gave you or your DNA tester. It helps to save time and focus your research so you don't get sidetracked so easily. It also allows you to organize what you have learned. Separating your DNA out into what grandparent gave you what DNA and what DNA they received is a great way to record how you match different people and the ancestors you have confirmed through multiple matches to summarize your research on individual ancestors and matches. You can organize sources, track your matches, and the DNA they share with your 3 tests as well, all in the same document. So it keeps things organized and simpler to use in other research projects as you're building your visual phasing report and after it has been completed.